Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you absolute reference. It is one of the top reference in cell reference. So let's begin. I will be teaching you with it with an example. Uh, so, uh, to apply this reference, the formula for this reference is equal to name of the first cell, which is E5 E5 times. And by the way, we need to multiply these all the digits with this number 45 times uh, g the address of the second cell, which is h5. Enter. But but with this formula, the only only this only the first number got multiplied, but we need to multiply these all numbers. uh, so to apply this, to multiply these all number together, there is another formula, which uh, is equal to first cell b2, nahin, sorry, e5 times dollar sign uh, in front of g, sorry, h, dollars, oh, dollar sign in, oh, dollar sign in front of h, dollar sign in front of 5. These dollar sign block the address h5, because if we apply the previous formula in if we track the previous formula in these cells, it will work like relative reference. uh, it will work like relative reference, and the address of the second cell will change frequently when while we drag the formula. No, drag this formula, and there it is. We got multiplied 45 to all the number exactly and together. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will be back with another video soon.